a cryptocurrency and digital payment network for financial transactions. Ripple is a technology. Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb, who co-founded it, made it available for the first time in 2012. Similar to the SWIFT system for international money and security transfers, which is used by banks and financial middlemen trading across currencies, Ripple's primary operation is a payment settlement asset exchange and remittance system. In today's video, we will learn about Ripple in simple terms. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button. And click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. The pre-mined cryptocurrency token is traded under the ticker name XRP. The organization and network are referred to as Ripple, and the cryptocurrency token is called XRP. The function of XRP is to act as a temporary settlement layer denomination and as an intermediary exchange mechanism between two networks or currencies. Understanding Ripple. Ripple runs on a peer-to-peer, open-source, decentralized infrastructure that enables smooth money transfers in any currency, including dollars, yen, euros, and cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Bitcoin. Global Payments Network Ripple has a number of well-known banks and financial institutions as clients. To enable speedy currency conversion between multiple currencies, XRP is used in its products. Ripple as a digital Hawala network. Consider a money transfer structure where the two parties on either end of the transaction use their preferred middleman to get the money in order to comprehend how the system operates. Ripple essentially serves as a digital Hawala service. Hawala is an unofficial way of sending money, typically across borders, without any actual cash changing. Let's say that Jack, who resides in a faraway city, requires $200 sent to him. Jenny gives Lisa, Jenny's local agent, the money to be paid to Jack. Jack must successfully enter a secret password that Jenny gives him in order to receive the money in their city. Lisa informs Amber, Jack's agent, of the transaction information, including the beneficiary, the amount to be repaid, and the password. Jack can get them $200 if he tells Amber the appropriate password. But since the funds came from Amber's account, Lisa owes Amber $200, which will be settled at a later date. Amber has two options. She can either keep a log of all of Lisa's obligations, which Lisa would settle on a certain day, or she can execute counter-transactions to make the debt equal. For instance, if Lisa is Emma's agent and Amber is also John's agent, and John needs to send $200 to Emma, the $200 owed to Amber would be balanced out because Emma will be paid from Lisa's account. Ripple's digital currency XRP. The virtual currency XRP serves as a medium of exchange for other currencies. It does not distinguish between any fiat or cryptocurrency, making it simple to trade one currency for another. The ecosystem's various currencies each have their own gateways, such as CAD Brazil, BTC Bitstamp, and US SnapSwap. Multiple gateways can be utilized, creating a chain of trust that extends among the users, so that only one gateway is required to start an entire transaction. The user is exposed to counterparty risk when holding balances with a gateway, a risk that also exists in the conventional banking system. The value of the user's money held at that gateway could be lost if the gateway does not uphold its liability. Users can therefore transact with a trusted gateway that then deals with the untrusted gateway if they don't trust the gateway they're using. In this manner, the IOU will be exchanged over a reputable or creditworthy certified gateway. Since a user's Bitcoin is not another user's IOU or debt, counterparty risk does not apply to Bitcoins and the majority of altcoins. How Ripple works. The Ripple network doesn't operate on a proof-of-work or proof-of-stake mechanism like Bitcoin or NXT. Instead, in order to verify account balances and transactions on the system, transactions rely on a consensus mechanism. By prohibiting double spending, the consensus seeks to increase the integrity of the system. All but the first transaction will be destroyed if a Ripple user attempts to send the same $100 to the gateway systems, while initiating transactions with several gateways. Consensus among individual distributed nodes determines which transaction was created first. The instant confirmations last for about 5 seconds. The Ripple platform is referred to as decentralized since there is no central authority that selects who can set up a node and confirm transactions. For any user or gateway, Ripple keeps track of all IOUs in a certain currency. The Ripple Consensus Ledger makes IOU credits and transaction flows between Ripple wallets available to the general public. Although the history of financial transactions is publicly accessible and recorded on a blockchain, no specific person or company's ID or account is tied to the data. However, the information can be de-anonymized because every transaction is recorded in a public ledger, the blockchain. Special considerations. Ripple addresses some of the problems with conventional banks. On the Ripple network, transactions are settled in a matter of seconds, even though the platform handles millions of transactions frequently. This contrasts with banks, which can require days or weeks to finish a wire transfer. In comparison to the high costs imposed by banks for making cross-border payments, the cost of transactions on Ripple is likewise extremely low, with the minimum transaction cost required for a normal transaction set at 0.00001 XRP. With a market valuation of more than $56 billion, as of November 2021, Ripple was the 7th largest cryptocurrency. 1 XRP is currently worth approximately $0.3387.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.